Hey guys, here's a quick demo on how to use the Instant Pot Duo Plus. It's so easy you don't even have to think. And I know some of you might be scared to use the Instant Pot because of the pressure cooker feature, but I'm going to show you how easy and effortless it is. We've got some meat, spices, and water already inside the Instant Pot. The lid is closed, and all you need to do is press the meat button. The timer automatically sets to 45 minutes. You also have the option to reduce or increase the time by pressing the minus or plus buttons. Then, when it's done cooking, it will beep a few times. Before releasing the steam, you may want to slide the Instant Pot out to an open area. The only thing you'll want to be mindful of is that the steam will be hot and it will shoot upwards. So if you don't want the steam to spray onto your kitchen cabinets, you may want to move the Instant Pot to the stove where you can place it under an exhaust vent. Or in our case, we're just simply placing a towel behind the hole where the steam comes out to minimize the steam from spraying elsewhere. And as you saw, at the top of the lid, there is a lever which you'll want to slide down counterclockwise to open the vent for the steam to be released. As the steam gets released, you will be able to hear the steam escaping, but it will gradually get quieter and quieter. In total, for our meat dish, it will take about 2.5 minutes before enough steam escapes, and then after that, you should be able to open the lid. While we wait for the steam to be fully released, I'll also mention that there are actually 15 one-touch programs to make soup, rice, yogurt, to steam or to sterilize, and you can even make a cake with the Instant Pot. You can even use the Instant Pot as a slow cooker. And the cooking pot inside has a non-stick interior which makes cleaning a breeze. So I sped this video clip up a bit, and it's already been almost 3 minutes since we first started to release the steam. We should now be ready to open the lid. When opening the lid, turn the handle of the lid counterclockwise until you hear a little tune play. Then, while gripping the handle, lift the lid up. And there you have it, a warm, hearty meal. This is a goat curry that we prepared for our dinner.